how to start a YouTube channel on your computer. So sit here with me, because I've got a lot of tips to you. Now, many people ask me how to a YouTube channel on your phone, on your mobile, on your Android. But now this time the question was, how do you start a YouTube channel on your computer? So you're having Windows, are you having Linux, are you having what? If you are on Windows, now this tutorial is for those who are on Windows, you're having a laptop or you're having a computer, you're using a desktop. Then let's jump straight to it. And also, before we dive into this tutorial, if you're new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe there in order to see all the tips, and also touch the bell button to receive a notification to all my awesome videos that I upload to YouTube just for your tutorials. Now let's jump straight into this starting a YouTube channel on your computer. Now head to Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, make sure you download it. Download Google Chrome, and then open up your browser, and then head here on the corner to sign in. You will see sign in is empty. Click on sign in. Now what we're going to do first is in order to get a YouTube channel, you need to start a Gmail account. You need to open a Gmail account, because Google owns YouTube. Now you need to open a Gmail account. From there, then I'll show you how to go about opening a YouTube channel. So now let's go ahead. It will open this window when you click on sign in. Then go ahead and say create an account. It will open up this drop down menu saying for myself or to manage my business. So choose for myself if it's for your personal, choose to business if you are running a business. Let's choose for myself. Then let's go in. Then it opens this window where you need to fill in your personal details. So we're gonna name this Gmail account. Let me call it YouTube. That's the first name. And then you can always name it your own names, whatever that suits you. YouTube channel. So those are the names of my Gmail account. Then here it will give me YC, which is YouTube channel, and then the Gmail. So this will be my Gmail account. Then go ahead and fill in your password. Fill in your password and then confirm your password. Confirm your password and then click on next. It's going to take you through to the next tab where it's going to ask you to fill in your phone number so that it can verify your email address. Now fill in your phone number. That's my phone number over there. And then fill in your email address as an option, as the recovery email address. Injibs at Yahoo. So then fill in your birthday over here, fill in your date, and then fill in anything here. You don't have to fill in your birthday. Then go fill in male there, fill in your gender, and then go to next. So now next it's gonna ask you to verify your phone number. So say send. So what's it gonna do? It's gonna send you a code that you're gonna fill in there. Let's check on my SMS and see. There the code comes. It's 060635550. So there we go. Click on verify. There we are in. So now our Gmail account is done to create. Now go ahead and read the terms and conditions. Make sure that you understand, and then click I agree. So then it will take you to the next page where it will show you that your account is created. Can you see there? You see here it was showing blue before saying sign in. Now our Gmail account is created already. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head to creating a YouTube account. Now we're done with the Gmail account. If you had your Gmail account before already, now these steps is where you're going to begin now from here in order to end up to a YouTube channel. Now click on that avatar there. It will show you your YouTube account. So go ahead and write down your YouTube account. Write it down somewhere. I don't want to waste time with that, but make sure that you click on that and you see your email address, write it down, and then go ahead. Now we're gonna head to YouTube now. Click on Google and then you will see the YouTube icon here. If you don't have it, go ahead and type in YouTube there in the search bar. Now YouTube opens. When it opens, now here we are on the YouTube page now. YouTube page will still ask you to sign in, but now click on it. When you click on YouTube page, simply because you signed in on Gmail, on Google site, Google Chrome, you signed in. When you click on Gmail, because Google owns YouTube, so when you sign in on Gmail and then you come here and you click on sign in, it will automatically sign in because you're signed in with Gmail. There we go, you're signed in with Gmail. So now I usually love the dark theme, but no, okay, now we're gonna head to opening up, creating our YouTube account. So click on that avatar. It will ask you here, create a channel on this drop down menu. Click on it, and then there we go, we're in the created channel. So now will read all of this. It's welcoming you to be welcoming you. Your creator journey begins. So get started. And then now here, this one here is your personal account. So if you want to create a personal account just for you, then you click on this one. If you want to create a business, a brand, creating a brand or a business, then you click on this one. Now this one here is where the brand account is called. A lot of people, you can add a lot of administrators, maybe people who work at your department of advertising and promotion. You can give them access. The manager on that side, or the promotion manager, you can give him access to this YouTube account, so he can be able, or she can be able to update with all the videos and advertisements. But now you can always add up to 7 to 8 administrators on this account here. But simply because we're going for personal, we're going to select this one here. So then it will take us through to the steps where we need to create the account. Now it takes you to the next page where it says upload a picture and all that and all that. Now this you can always do later. You can always set this up later, but for now, let's say set up later, right? Then it will take us through now to the main page now, the main dashboard, main page of your YouTube. Now this is your main YouTube. I usually love the dark theme. If you want to see the dark theme, click on the avatar on the profile picture there, and then scroll, check on the drop down menu, you'll see the dark theme, and then turn it off, turn it on, turn on the dark theme. Now this looks amazing. Now we're looking at your new YouTube account. This is your new YouTube account. And you see here, you need to fill in your profile picture. Now this is another video on its own where I will show you how to customize your YouTube channel, how to fill in all this, how to fill in the avatar there and all of that. So now here, no subscribers. Now here is where your subscribers show. If you want another video on how to turn on off the subscriber account so nobody sees your subscribers, that's another video. Here you can go and customize your YouTube channel. Here you can add your profile picture, and then here you can always add the video, upload a video. So that's the beginner step to a new YouTube channel. So now if you want to add your YouTube video and upload it, you can go, you always go right here to this video, the camera video here that's got a plus on, create a video. Then that's also another YouTube channel. But for now, we're done with this video. Now we know exactly how to create a YouTube channel on a computer. So now, if you also know, I've got also another video on how to create a YouTube channel on a cell phone. But for now, this question came in just for computers. Now that's how you go about exactly how to start a YouTube channel. So if you want to see more of my videos on how to promote your videos, how to get subscribers from 0 to 1 million, how to go viral, make videos that go viral, and do keyword research, come up with videos that will give you views, turn them into subscribers. Make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom, touch the bell button to receive a notification whenever I upload a YouTube video up just for you. This is Israel again, and I want you to keep coming back and back again for more YouTube video tips. Bye bye.